Hello there, this is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. This is a 2007 Mercedes E350 4MATIC. The E-Class is the mid-size. This is a four-door sedan. 4MATIC means it's all-wheel drive, and the 350 is a V6 3.5-liter engine. The colors are Flint Gray metallic. It's got black interior. This is a sport package. Has a little more aggressive body styling, and that has the optional 18-inch wheels. The wheels really set off the body lines. Very elegant. The body's in excellent condition. There's no dings. It's not scratched at all. The paint condition is very, very good. The tires are new, and they're very high quality tires. Power seats on both sides. They are 3-position memory, and they are heated. In beautiful condition. This has the power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. Leather wrapped, power moonroof. You even get power headrests. And the memory will remember where you set the headrests. It's got the sporty white gauges. Has rain sensing windshield wipers, automatic climate control. And this also has the factory navigation and satellite radio.
Your route is being calculated.
And of course, premium sound. Here's a look at the passenger seat. Nice wood grain. Here's a look at the rear seat. We have half of the rear seat folded down. That's an option. We don't see it on too many of these. And it goes, opens it up to the trunk. Has a power rear shade. Here's a look at the wheels with the new tires. Dual exhaust. Very large trunk, and naturally both sides will open up, so it gives you a lot of cargo space. Some more storage. It looks like an extra belt, and there's a spare underneath. Here's a look at the seat folded down. Passenger side, there's the power seat with the 3-position memory. Really nice wood grain. That's all real wood. It's not cracked at all. Elegant Mercedes at a very affordable price and in fantastic condition. Thank you for looking in, and we hope to hear from you soon.